Another bright, another June, another sunny honeymoon, another season, another reason for making whoopee. Yeah. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answers twice. It's really killing that he's so willing to make whoopee, whoopee, baby. Picture a little love nest down where the roses cling. Picture the same sweet love nest. Oh, what a year can bring.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
He's washing dishes and baby clothes. He's so ambitious, he even sews. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee, whoopee, baby, yeah, whoopee, baby. Webu inovie, webu na zun, ay dalu otru na honeymoon. Webu na soken, otru na son. About making whoopee, whoopee, baby. Oh, las zapatos can go to rice. You know if you're nervous, try singing twice. Tight passenger, loco malago. About making whoopee, whoopee, baby. He doesn't make much money, only 5,000. Some judge who thinks he's funny says you give 10 or more. The man says, Judge, hey Judge, suppose I fail. The judge says, bang, right into jail. But don't forget, man, it's what you get, man, for making